Back here now. Starting my DR leaf and lawn vacuum. Hasn't been started pretty much all winter. That was like for 4 months, I guess. The gas, I ran it. Shut the gas off, ran out of gas to see if this thing will fire up. I get over here. Has electric start. Ugh. I'm gonna climb over all that crap. Can't even stand up straight here. There's this. What kind of one? It's a 205 cc. I don't know what that is in horsepower. If anyone knows, just comment and let me know what it is. And it's the 9.00 model. Briggs & Stratton motor. See if I can get on the other side. Let me move this Scott's thing out over here. I can get on the other side of this. Over here. There. There. Now I can really show you now. Sit on the wall, actually. Oh, fuck it. Sit on that. See, yeah, it's like that. Briggs & Stratton. Electric starts down there, so it's... that's a pen in my hand. Turn the choke on. Turn the gas on. I want you... the oil. Oil in it. Look for gas. I don't know if the put this camera down. I don't know if the gas has gone bad in it yet. I have no idea. I can get the gas cap open here. Ugh. Come on. Oh, wow, that sucker's on there. Can't get the bastard to come off. Jeez. The hell? That must be... almost. Yeah, got it. Jeez. What the hell's that all about? And the gas. Looks good. There's gas in there. How's it smell? It smells fine. Jeez. In the back of my shed. Let's fire this thing up here. That like that. Let's hope nothing goes shooting out anywhere on this. That's all I have to say. Let's go. Onto that. Shit stinks. I have to open up this door. Yeah, but onto that. I just got this loud. It's about a year old. See, all that comes apart to fit inside here. Works actually really well. In the spring cleanup, there's a bunch of sticks in my yard. Use the chipper. I'll make a video of that, using it and stuff. I can climb back over here. Ooh, I just burnt my ass on the exhaust. Ow, that was painful. Ugh. That wasn't too smart. Anyways, probably will burn hole in my ass. render on that. Anyways, and that's my video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and check out my channel. See ya.